Hello everyone, today we are going to do a question which I have taken from the polynomial. The question is given as solve x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. Solution is given as let px is equal to x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. Here, firstly we should take the factors of 10. The factors of 10 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 5, plus minus 10. It's because 10 can be divided by 10 itself, and 5 is by 5 and also by 2. So these are the factors. Now, in order to solve this question, we should use synthetic division method. Here, for this, we should take the 1 as a divisor here, that is plus 1, and we have taken the coefficients of x cube. Coefficient of x cube is plus 1 and coefficient of x square is minus 4, coefficient of x is minus 7 and 10 is the constant. Here, firstly we should bring down the first coefficient. So we should write 1 like this, and we should multiply 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1, so this 1 should be written here, and here you can see minus, but here is plus, positive 1. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Again 1 times minus 3, 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. We should write here. So minus 7 and minus 3 we get 10. Again 1 times minus 10 is minus 10. So we should subtract here plus 10 and minus 10, and 0 is the remainder. And 1, minus 3, minus 10 are the coefficient. Since remainder is 0, so x minus 1 is a factor of px. So x minus 1 is factor of px. Now you can see that px is equal to qx, which is quotient, gx is the divisor, rx is the remainder. And here you can see gx is the divisor and x square minus 3x minus 10 is the quotient. So x minus 1 is written same as it is, and now we should factorize x square minus 3x minus 10. If we factorize, x squared is x squared, minus 10 is minus 10 here, but minus 3x is minus 5x plus 2. Minus 5x plus 2. Here, this term is same, but in this term you can see here that x squared and 5x. Between these two, x is common, so x minus 5 plus 2, and here is 2 common between 2x and 10, so 2 times x minus 5, and this term is same, but x minus 5 and x minus 5 are taken as common, and x plus 2 is common here. So either x minus 1 is equal to 0, it is equation first, x minus 5 is equal to 0, it is equation 2, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, it is equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 you will get x is equals to 1, x is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 2. Hence the value of x are 1, minus 2 and 5, which is our required answer.